Energy-efficient windows. Sanford, Florida are a must-have for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. With options like low-E glass and double glazing, Sanford residents can enjoy superior window insulation and energy savings year-round. Window replacement in Sanford, Florida is a smart investment for those seeking to enhance their home's energy efficiency. By upgrading to energy-saving windows, you can significantly reduce your energy bills and increase your home's value. Sanford FL window insulation experts offer a range of options, including thermal windows and insulated glass, to meet your specific needs. Sanford window tinting services provide an additional layer of protection against the sun's harmful rays. Solar control windows and window coatings can help reduce glare and prevent fading of interior furnishings. These services are essential for maintaining a comfortable and energy-efficient windows. Sanford home environment in Florida. For those interested in window retrofitting in Sanford FL, there are numerous options available to improve window performance. Window sealing and weatherproofing are crucial for preventing drafts and reducing window condensation. Sanford window efficiency experts can guide you through the process of selecting the best solutions for your home. Argon dash-filled windows in Sanford offer enhanced insulation properties, making them an excellent choice for energy-conscious homeowners. These windows, combined with Energy Star windows, provide superior window energy ratings and U-factor windows. Performance. Sanford FL residents can benefit from reduced window heat gain and improved overall window efficiency. Sanford eco-friendly windows are designed with sustainability in mind, offering both environmental and economic benefits. By choosing energy-efficient windows Sanford, Florida, you contribute to a greener planet while enjoying lower energy costs. Sanford window coatings and window upgrades further enhance the eco-friendliness of your home. Window installation in Sanford, FL, is a seamless process with the help of experienced professionals. Whether you're looking to install new energy-efficient windows or replace existing ones, Sanford window installation experts ensure a hassle-free experience. With a focus on quality and customer satisfaction, you can trust them to deliver exceptional results. Sanford window energy ratings are an important consideration when selecting new windows. High performance windows with low U factors and superior window heat gain control are essential for maximizing energy savings. Sanford window condensation solutions also play a vital role in maintaining window performance and longevity. Sanford thermal windows are designed to provide optimal insulation and energy efficiency. These windows are perfect for homeowners looking to reduce their carbon footprint and save on energy costs. With options like double glazing Sanford, Florida, and low-E glass Sanford, you can achieve the perfect balance of comfort and efficiency. Window upgrades Sanford FL offer a variety of benefits, from improved aesthetics to enhanced energy efficiency. By investing in window performance enhancements, you can enjoy a more comfortable living environment and increased property value. Sanford window coatings and solar control windows are just a few of the options available to elevate your home's performance.